हेलो बच्चों, नमस्ते। आज हम सोशल स्टडीज़ पढ़ेंगे, लेसन 4 नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज। मैं रीड करूँगी, आप सुनना, और उसके बाद अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स आपने अपनी नोटबुक में लिखने हैं और उसकी स्पेलिंग्स लर्न करने हैं। लेसन 4 नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज। Natural resources are naturally occurring substances which are considered very valuable for the survival of all living things on the earth. Our planet is gifted with a wide range of natural resources. These resources include water, land, forest, animal, sunlight, minerals, etc. They are the gifts of nature. They are the sole reason why life is possible on our planet. The life of people over the years has shaped up according to the way in which people used to use the natural resources. A nation's wealth is largely dependent on how will people use their natural resources. Natural resources can be of two types. They are renewable and non-renewable natural resources. अब हम renewable resources के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। Renewable resources क्या होते हैं? Resources which can be recycled are called renewable resources. They can never get exhausted. Sunlight, air, soil and water are renewable resources. They are part of our natural environment and form our ecosystem. Non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are exhaustible and cannot be replaced. Fossil fuel made from preserved remains of living things that died millions of years ago are also non-renewable resources. Some examples are fossil fuels, iron, uranium, petroleum, coal, etc. Uses of natural resources. The uses of natural resources are immense. Some natural resources can be used directly and some other need to be processed before they are used. Air, water, etc. can be used directly. Immense का मतलब होता है extremely large, मतलब बहुत सारा. Water is used for different purposes. It is used to produce electricity by building dams. It is also used for irrigation purpose and farming. अब हम नेक्स्ट पेज में आएंगे. Solar energy. Solar energy is another source we use directly. It is never-ending resource. Scientists have been researching on how it can be used for different applications. Many vehicles and other gadgets have been made these days which work on the solar energy. Japan has already made a car that runs on solar energy. The cost of tapping solar energy is still high, but very soon it will be affordable. When that happens, many of the appliances that we use at home will run on solar power. Solar energy is rightly the source of the future. Wind energy is also used for producing electricity. ये wind mills होते हैं, इससे electricity produce होती है. Some resources can't be used in their natural form. Some resources need to be processed before they can be used. For example, petroleum that is taken out from the earth is in a crude form. It is then refined and turned into petrol, diesel, kerosene and other products. The case is same with minerals also. They need to be extracted from thick ores before they can be used. All the industrial growth and development that we see around us would not have been possible without the use of natural resources. Conserving natural resources. We have learned the importance of natural resources. Since many natural resources are non-renewable, it is high time for us to do something to preserve much of them. If we are going to use these resources continuously, they will be exhausted soon. So, there is a rising demand to conserve all our natural resources. air, water, and land are being affected due to overuse. Many plants and animals species have become extinct and many other are on the verge of extinction. Next page. There won't be a future if we don't conserve our natural resources properly. No matter how well we have progressed, we can't survive without these. We must look after the gift that nature gives us with utmost care. The future of the earth and its people depend upon our ability to maintain and preserve the natural resources. We must we must use these resources carefully and with utmost responsibility. Reducing trips by cars, encouraging carpooling with friends, walking, taking bus or riding our bicycle instead of driving. कारपूलिंग क्या होता है? मतलब टू पीपल आपस में डिसाइड करके एक ही व्हीकल यूज़ करें और दोनों साथ में जाएं इफ़ दे आर गोइंग ऑन अ सेम वे, दैट इज़ कारपूलिंग. लाइक वन बाय वन दे कैन डू दैट. सिंगल व्हीकल एंड टू पीपल और थ्री पीपल फ्रेंड्स का इसमें लिखा है ना, पूलिंग विथ फ्रेंड्स. सो उसमें हमें इनकरेज करना चाहिए पूलिंग विथ फ्रेंड्स, उससे बेनिफिट होगा. या वॉकिंग, टेकिंग बस, पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट और राइडिंग आवर बाइसिकल इंस्टेड ऑफ ड्राइविंग. रिड्यूसिंग कंजम्पशन and wastage of electricity and water, reducing wastage of paper, recycling old papers and using recycled paper bags, planting trees whenever and wherever we can. So इसमें क्या लिखा है? safe plant, safe water and safe electricity. Things to remember है, हम पढ़ते हैं. Natural resources are naturally occurring substances which are considered very valuable for the survival of all living things on the earth. They are gift of nature. आप ये things to remember ज़रूर पढ़ा कीजिए. इसमें पूरा चैप्टर का शॉर्ट में सारे पॉइंट वाइज सब समझाया हुआ है. जो भी चैप्टर में मेन पॉइंट्स कवर होते हैं वो यहाँ पे लिखे होते हैं. तो आप इसको पढ़ लेना. Natural resources have been classified into two groups, renewable and non-renewable resources. Minerals and fossil fuels, once taken out, cannot be replaced. Solar energy is a valuable natural resource. It is the resource of the future. Human activities are the biggest threat to natural resources. We must preserve our natural resources and learn to use them wisely. Okay? ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गया है. अब नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम इसकी एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. ठीक है, तब तक आप ये बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ लेना. रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस भी करनी है आपने और अच्छे से इसको, और इसके जितने भी डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स हैं वो मैं ऑलरेडी अंडरलाइन कर चुकी हूँ, वो आप ध्यान से पढ़ के लर्न करना. और कल 15 अगस्त है, इंडिपेंडेंस डे. सो और उसके बाद संडे है. सो ये 2 दिन आपको काम नहीं आएगा. तो लेकिन आप ये सोशल स्टडीज़ का जो अभी मैंने आपको पढ़ाया और जो मैं आपको भेजूँगी वो आप ध्यान से करना. और उसके अलावा आपको एक एक्टिविटी भी दी जाएगी जिसमें आपने एक इंडियन फ्लैग और एक काइट ड्रॉ करनी है. उसकी रेफरेंस पिक्चर मैं आपको सेंड करूँगी और वो आपने ड्रॉ करनी है और उसको कलर करना है अच्छे से. और हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे. थैंक यू. बाय.